What if faithfulness wasn't old-fashioned? Well, Monique and I are here to tell you that it's not old-fashioned. It is new fashion. It is the way to go. We have learned over the past few days about a prominent couple who have been caught in unfaithfulness, and we've seen a lot of the damage that has done. This is really a sad story, but that does not need to be your story. No, in fact, our retreat happening September 11th through the 14th, 3.5 days, immersed in beauty, comfort, and a lot of learning in Galena, Illinois, will help you through 9 different key relationship traits to join you in love and joy and peace and patience and kindness and goodness and faithfulness and gentleness and self-control. Will help you join together in the kind of oneness that you dreamed about when you stood at the altar and said, I do. This isn't about dreams. This isn't a pipe dream. This is reality. This is you. We want you to be there. All meals are provided. All suites are ensuite rooms. We have limited spots available. They are being taken up as we speak. Do not hesitate to go to our website at realconnectionscounseling.com/couples-retreats/Galena. That's realconnectionscounseling.com/couples-retreats/Galena. From there, you will be able to read about this amazing retreat, and you will be able to sign up for your ensuite mansion or ensuite suite in this beautiful Cloran mansion in Galena, Illinois. We can't wait to teach you. We can't wait to hang out with you. This is about couples helping couples kind of retreat. We are going to join together and come away so much better, and then be able to impact our communities, the relational health of our communities in ways our communities couldn't have imagined. Monique and I, relationship experts, counselors, coaches, and consultants, we'll be happy to see you there. Have a great day, and God bless you.